my name is Mary Augustinowicz. I want to tell you about my experiences with dizziness and a whole host of other problems that eventually brought me into contact with Dr. Jackson. A couple of years ago, I had an operation for the removal of a brain aneurysm. I was left with a constant sense of dizziness and severe light-headedness that continued on for months with no improvement at all. I had about every test in the book for this, but none of the specialists could find a reason for it. They finally sent me to physical therapy to learn to live with it. When that was of no help, they concluded that I must be imagining it. Meanwhile, dealing with the constant commotion in my head was taking a big toll on my emotions, resulting in panic attacks, insomnia, depression, etc. Neurology then decided that my whole dizziness problem was completely psychological, and I was subsequently admitted to that section of the hospital. I was allergic to most of the medication they gave me there, so the specialist finally just gave up on me. I'd about had it by then. I felt hopeless, and I thought my life, for all intents and purposes, was pretty much over. Around that time, my husband found Dr. Jackson's website. I took one last chance and called him. On April 17, I met him, and for the first time since my whole nightmare began, I felt a stirring of hope, real hope. He took a lot of time with me. He didn't rush me out of the room in 10 minutes the way so many of the others did, and he assured me that my dizziness was not in my imagination. My case was complex because of the aneurysm operation, but to make a long story short, he completely reprogrammed the signals going to my brain, built my nutrition status up, and got rid of a lifetime accumulation of heavy metals in me. The dizziness is almost a memory now, and I feel better than I did before the aneurysm. He's the most patient and considerate doctor I've ever had. I live about 2 hours away, but it's worth every mile and minute. Dr. Jackson has given me back my hopes and dreams for my future. He truly has saved my life in every way. So if any of you out there listening to this are wondering if you should make an appointment, wonder no more. Make that call and start on the road to wellness. I bet you'll be glad you did.